Your name?
Olivia Berkey.
Olivia. Sorry. All right. And what is plaintiff's claim in this case? How
Your
much is it?
Honor, since we were in court, defendant had made, I believe, a several $100 payment. I think $500 or $600. Is that correct, Ms. Berkey?
500.
500. Currently there's a balance due after costs totaling $2,009, 2009. It's the current balance.
All right.
I have a question.
Pardon?
I have a question.
You have a question?
Yes, that number.
No.
Oh.
No, go ahead.
Okay. That number that he just gave out, is that with the 500 or does the 500 still have to be subtracted?
No, that was
Of
after
the
the 500.
Okay, perfect.
All right. Okay. How are you intending on getting this paid?
I can make a money order payment on Monday of, I would say, like 300 at the most. And then I can also pay another payment Thursday,
Of how much?
500.
Okay. So basically the same thing that you did.
Mm-hmm.
All right. If we do that, that's going to bring you down to about $1,200 figure.
Mm-hmm.
How we
And then next week I could just pay the rest,
pay the rest?
1,200. Like the following week?
Yeah, I know it.
Okay. Okay.
So the
Your Honor,
last week of April,
we
you
can give
could
it till
pay
the third of. We can give it till the third. I think that
to
should
the
be
third,
fine.
do a judgment due to the third. Is that what you're saying, suggesting?
Yep.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to do, and it locks in the figure. It's not going to include May in this, but it's
Okay.
got to catch up. I'm going to grant a judgment for possession in the plaintiff for the total amount of the 2009 with a writ will not issue until it's actually May 4th. Understanding that that doesn't include May's rent, but it's going to give you to the 4th of May to get it paid.
Okay.
Fair enough?
On top of May, the 1st of May.
Right, but yes, I will say
Okay.
yes in answer to your question. But typically, what I'm trying to do is give you time to catch up your back balance. It may be that that following week you're going to be paying May. I don't know, but I'm not dealing with May at this point.
Okay.
Makes sense?
Makes sense. Thank you.
And thank you for coming down early and
Yes.
reading the wrong notice. No, I'm not going to say why. I had no reason to say that and call you out like that, but I did. All right.
Or red, why don't you?
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good weekend. I think that was it.
Mr. Cab.
Bye-bye.
BSJ Real Estate. Who is that guy with you?
Nicholas?
Yeah.
He's an occupant.
Oh, he's an occupant.
He's the one with the money. I'm the one with the credit.
Ow. Okay. All right. Because he didn't help you a bit. I'm just saying. No.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Have a good one. BSJ Real Estate versus Danielle Zimmer.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Corey McCord on behalf of plaintiffs.
She's in Zoom. Oh, there she is. All right. Zimmerman, how are you?
Good morning, Your Honor. I could be better. I was
right.
on coming in, but somebody had been hacking my Wi-Fi all morning, and I was on the phone with Xfinity. Apparently, there's been an iPhone and a few other phones hacking into my stuff. And I'm from the 80s. I don't even understand how this works. And apparently, everybody can just hack your stuff.
Okay. All right. Where are we on this case?
Your Honor, this is a straightforward termination of tenants case. My plaintiffs are the owners of the property at 939 Madison Street. They bought that property from the owner in February of this year. They did send a 30-day notice on February 17th. There is no lease of any kind from the prior owner or the current owners. Plaintiffs we're just looking for possession.
Ms. Zimmerman, what do you have to say to that?
Okay. Oh my gosh, Your Honor. I wish I had less to say. Let me begin with, I'm 38 and I've never been evicted from anywhere. But I did not acquire residency in this property from said woman in paperwork. Her name was Teresa Doris. So I thought that was a little odd. I do recall Alinda Sen being in a nursing home. So that's why I was like, the whole reason I was in here was to fix up the property, which I've been doing. I don't want to live here. Trust me. Like, I don't. The neighbors are horrible. Like, everything's a bad time. And the police, they won't do anything for anybody, really. And maybe just not for me. I don't know. I've only lived in Michigan for almost 3 years.
Okay.
I've been here since December 23. Your Honor, I have 6 animals, 4 of which I acquired while I was here of stray cats. So I have 4 stray cats from Ypsilanti, and I came with my dog and my snake. So I have 6 pets, Your Honor, and as Teresa Doris knew, I was fighting for my children in Illinois. I'm in a custody battle over there, which is actually not even a custody battle. It's a Darville conspiracy slash a bunch of things. And I'm in courts. I'm not even a criminal, never have been, in Michigan, Illinois, and Tennessee currently.
Okay. So the issue for me in this case is that the owner of the premises has sent a notice seeking to have the property returned to them. Okay.
Correct. So
And-
I was gonna get up to get like an official copy of the deed, because just because I've been lied to so many times, I feel like it wasn't even sold. Like, nobody came to look at it. Why would you just buy a house you never looked at?
You don't have paperwork with you.
Judge, I do have the quick
Call him.
deed. To give you a little background. The plaintiffs bought the property at foreclosure sale. They were in communication with the owner, who then gave them a quick claim deed. So they bought the property on both ends of the deal. So they don't have to wait for the redemption period. I do have a copy of the quick claim deed, though.
That's
Did you
probably
hear
just,
that?
I did hear that, Your Honor. I just feel bad for the elderly woman, I guess, Linda Sen, who was the owner. Because, yeah, I'm not going to get into it, but I reported it to adult services. And like everybody in Michigan, it just seems like nobody cares.
Well, thank you for
Attempting to do everything. Yeah.
disparaging the state that I was born in and very proud to be a resident of.
No,
But
not like that. Nothing like that.
no, we just take
Nothing
it.
like
We just
that.
take it. There are a lot of us that care, but about a lot of things.
Okay, I'm not saying, I wasn't saying it like that. I meant to say, unfortunately, as my time has shown here, the people I've met were not trustworthy. And unfortunately, that's been the case for me, especially with Ypsilanti police.
Okay, well, you just get to pick
I'm
better
responsible
people.
for the entire state.
I don't know what you want me to do with that. There are wonderful,
Sir,
beautiful
just an honest woman, that's all.
who are, ma'am, I
Yeah.
need to know if there's a defense to this action. Otherwise, I'm going to issue a
Yes,
judge.
sir. Yes, Your Honor. So
What is your
well, does it matter? Because it's not written down. It's just in text messages and voice recordings. Teresa Doris had promised me said property, who she claimed to have owned the property. Okay. When I first moved in December 23. And because she knew I
You
was looking for
understand that the property got foreclosed on?
Yes, I did. But I just don't understand how somebody could like hoodwink some, like, so there's just this maniac then on the loose, I guess, in Ypsilanti, Ann Arbor area, named Teresa Doris, who's just
So
rented
there are
people.
maniacs in Ann Arbor and Ypsilanti?
Oh yes,
This
there's
is-
crackheads on my street, and there's crack
I
dealers.
know, right? Yeah, okay. Because it's the only place that exists. Go ahead, ma'am.
I never said that.
Okay, I'm just trying to get to your defense, please.
Okay, so I was said to inherit house because I'm a medical assistant from Illinois, and I was said to inherit house by giving medical advice to Linda Sen, who was later introduced to me by name. And I was to like be a caregiver for her, but then she kept ending up back in a nursing home, back in a nursing home, back in a nursing home. So, and Teresa Doris would never, if it's a, with all due respect to any gay people or transgender, because I do not hate against anybody. I don't
Oh,
know if it's a
so
man or a
what?
woman. And
Wow,
I-
wow,
Yes,
wow.
sir.
Hold it. Hold
Sir,
it.
I did
Stop
say that.
talking. Stop talking.
Okay.
I do not know what any of that has with any defense you have regarding this property.
Well, I'm just saying how I
But you
got
know
here.
what? You can't just come in
Why are you-
disparaging and
why are you
talking
talking
about people or groups of people, because if that's what you're gonna do and not get to, no, you want to overtalk me? I don't think that's gonna happen, not in my courtroom.
I can't see who's talking, sir. I thought it was a lawyer.
You can't see who's talking? It's
No,
me,
you're
the
tiny
one
and
in charge.
Okay, I will not talk over you.
The born and bred Michigander that is proud of everyone that lives in this darn state. That's who you're talking to.
I never said I wasn't proud. I was proud to be here too. That's where I came to.
What's your defense?
My defense is that everybody's been lying to me.
Okay,
I
but
didn't
that's not a
for
defense
sale.
to the
I
property.
didn't
If
know
you
it was
wish to
for
take a
sale.
civil action against somebody, the owners of the premises haven't lied to you.
Well, that's correct. That's true. I did reach out to the lawyer to try to inform him before this happened in front of you, sir. But he did not return my phone call, which that's fine. But you know, I have lupus myself. I have 5% Senegalian heritage, and I was really happy to, you know, live here like for the time I had. But I just don't. I never had a judge yell at me before. This is kind of weird. But yes, in
I'm
the
not
paper.
yelling at you. I'm just, you have never heard me yell, because if I'm yelling at you, you're gonna know. And it's gonna be a very short conversation. So I'm letting this go much longer than I would if anybody I'm yelling at.
Thank
Ask
you.
that guy. No.
It was a long story, and it's not a good one either.
I don't see it an issue here that I could even set a trial on or anything else like that.
I concur, Your Honor.
I mean,
So
I
I'm
have
going to find no tribal issue after hearing in this matter. I'm going to
have,
grant a
like,
judgment of possession. There is no redemption amount.
I'm on
Writ to
SSI.
issue in days.
Thanks.
I just got it last month, and I was promised a car. So how do you expect me to go anywhere? I'm just going to sit on the lawn with my 6 animals when I'm a single
Ma'am,
mom.
I don't deal with all of the other promises that people may have made to you. I'm dealing strictly with the real estate issue here in front of me.
That's fine.
And
Okay.
I am now done.
Too. It seems like all the black folks are racist.
I am now done.
Okay, I'm sorry that we had this
Thank
interaction.
you. Thank you. There's a mute button somewhere, isn't there? Thank you. I'm almost not going to like you now.
I know.
You brought this in. Do you have another case?
I do, BSG.
Really?
Yes. Again,
Fine.
plus,
Oh, we'll do it. BSJ Real Estate versus Manolo. Is it Placinia? Placinia?
that's close as I could get to.
Are there, and a second defendant? No, I don't.
It's Manolo.
There's only one listed on my card stone. David. Well, hold on a second.
One defendant, that's his full name.
Yeah, they have it wrong on here.
He is one of the plaintiffs.
He's a plaintiff. Okay, what I have here is Manolo David Placinia. Now that we've gotten that straight and are really sideways. Are they here? Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So
I do, Your Honor.
go ahead. What is your claim?
Your Honor, the plaintiffs purchases property at a Washington County Sheriff's foreclosure sale on March 11th, 2020. On that same day, they posted for an interior inspection pursuant to MCL 600.3238. In the inspection notice, they did provide a time for the inspection and contact information, and the defendant needed to arrange another day or time. No inspection was granted on the date, and plaintiffs have not heard from defendant. Defendant failed to appear last Friday in front of the magistrate, failed to appear today. I would ask the court to enter default judgment with possession tending from today.
Judgment to the plaintiff. That is by default for possession. No redemption amount retention.
Your Honor,
That's it for me?
that's it for me.
All right. Everybody else is happy that you're going. Oh, no, I didn't. Take care.